Hey everyone, welcome back to See My Review, your go-to spot for the latest unboxings and honest reviews. Today, I've got something real special lined up. We're unboxing the Air Jordan 5 Retro Black Grape. Right off the bat, the packaging is classic Jordan style, clean, bold, and makes a statement. Let's crack it open and see what's inside. As soon as I lift the lid, you can tell this pair is something different. The black grape colorway is iconic, blending style, nostalgia, and that unmistakable Jordan heritage. With the sleek black nubuck upper and those vibrant grape ice and new emerald accents, this sneaker doesn't just stand out, it commands attention. It's got that retro vibe but still feels fresh and current. Now let's talk about the build. These aren't just pretty to look at. The materials used in the upper include a combination of nubuck, mesh, and synthetic leather, giving it durability while keeping things breathable. That means you can rock these for a night out or even on the court, and they'll hold up just fine. The Air Jordan 5 is known for its shark tooth design, and this pair doesn't disappoint. The midsole is decked out in deep purple and turquoise accents, giving the shoe a bold pop of contrast. That paired with the ice. If you're a sneaker enthusiast or fashion lover always on the hunt for the latest drops without breaking the bank, jackkicks.ru is a destination you definitely need to check out. Known for its wide selection of high-quality sneakers and trending fashion items, jackkicks.ru has built a strong reputation among style-savvy shoppers. From iconic Jordans and Yeezys to the latest collaborations and streetwear essentials, their catalog is constantly updated with the hottest pieces in the game. But it's not just about the range, it's about quality and authenticity. Each item goes through strict quality control to ensure you're getting top-tier products that look and feel legit. What really sets jackkicks.ru apart is how customer-friendly they are. Not only do they offer